Hooker now back in the lightweight division where he has realized a whole lot of success. This man has headlined for the UFC before. He has been in some absolute wars. Tonight, though, not looking to end up in the hospital. He wants to be more of a technician on the feet. He has worked very hard with Eugene Behrman and all of his training partners at City Kickboxing. They want a clean technical effort here tonight, and candidly, they believe they have the right opponent to produce that result. Well, few fighters manage distance as efficiently and as well as Conor Mcgregor, and there's that left hand finding its home run.
Oh, my God! Oh, my goodness!
No feeling out process, folks. Here we go. Edge of pursuit action right out of the chute.
These dudes are trading very early in this fight. This is good. Oh, he's hurting him bad, man. That right hook is nasty.
High-level MMA defense there, able to avoid the punch. Nice job by McGregor. Fast pace here in the early going. Hooker swelling now around the jaw area, so we'll keep an eye on that as this fight continues.
Beautiful high kick.
Nice hook there by McGregor. Back and forth we go.
Oh, nice kick.
Push kick there to the body. Oh, he connects with another uppercut. He's landed a few big ones so far here.
That is his best punch. He finds it from so...
Combination, he knocks him down. Back to the feet.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, big left hand.
That's some power there.
Well, at this point, DC, I'm not sure if he's just biding his time or just trying to get some extra reps, but go finish them.
It seems like the guy's playing with his food. You know, he's having a good time out there. Everything's working. He's in the zone. If he...
Oh!